What's up? Late night, very busy. I need another cafe hot chocolate. No, wait, not another cafe hot chocolate. First cafe hot chocolate of the day, hopefully the only one. But I don't like making espresso like at night, so whenever I want to make, a drink with the machine, I kind of just gravitate towards the hot chocolates spectrum of drinks, whatever. Slightly different cocoa that I'm using, but it's the same cocoa from Ghirardelli, but just really in a different package, and I got a lot more of it, so I can just like scoop it out of here and we'll be good there. Same mug that I always use. If I can find it real quick. My Tennessee mug that I got from some random gift shop in where did I go? I was up there just like taking a solo vacation to Gatlinburg, and I drove through Knoxville. I drove through Knoxville, and they had this gift shop, and they had these cups in there, and I was like, I want that one, so I got this one. The water's already heated up. I already have my pitcher here. Now I need, wait, the cocoa's right here. That was an old cocoa in there, but we got new cocoa now. Tablespoon. Do about 2.5 scoops of cocoa in here. So 1, 2, might do 3. We'll call that 3 3/4 of cocoa. No, I kind of want to do more. Just add like another smidge there. All right, cool. We got all the cocoa we need. Water is hot. What I will do is go ahead and grab the milk. I'm gonna make this like it's a cappuccino kind of, so I'm gonna fill it up about halfway towards the spout right there. When you put like less milk into a pitcher, it usually helps make that foamy texture. It aerates it a little bit. It's easier to aerate and like add air and give it that like foamy texture rather than the silky, like smooth texture. I hope that makes any sense at all. But if you want to give it a go, get an espresso machine and find out for yourself. All right, so we got this. I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up, make sure the water is hot, and as soon as I hear that thing click, that's when I'm gonna start the steam on, get it warmed up. Get my mixing spoon, which is this. We don't need this anymore. As soon as I hear that thing click, I'll start warming it up just so I can like work a little bit faster. Here's the click. Putting just enough water to get it mixed in, about like 2 ounces maybe. It's perfect. Then you're gonna see me spin it around so I can mix it up better. Because it's powder, and it's a lot of powder and very little water, so spinning this around helps mix it up a bit. Steam on sounds pretty good. Feeling pretty good here. Now we just keep adding air. It's looking real good so far. Just like steadily, smoothly adding air in. That's how you avoid getting those huge bubbles. But it's looking really good so far. And as it continues to expand, I'm just like dropping the pitcher down like ever so slightly, just so I can keep adding air. But like the volume's like, the milk is expanding, so it's like filling up more and more of the pitcher as I go. And when it fills up too much, that is where I think we got a good texture. I'm like struggling to like keep all the milk in there, so as soon as I really just can't keep going with expanding, that's where I dip it like nearly in the middle, levels everything out a bit better, but I'm still creating that funnel, and we're just heating up the milk at this point. And right about here is where it's hot. Turn it off, slowly let it out, and grab the rag. Clean off the wand immediately. And purge. Alright, let's make sure this is nice and mixed. Let me just pour like a latte. Not too bad. A little bit off center, but here is your cafe-style hot chocolate with latte art and all. You know, we can even have a little bit more fun with it because I have a cocoa shaker now. So we can make it look like it's almost like a cappuccino, like a very chocolatey cappuccino. Just put a bit of cocoa right here at the end. Because why not? Have some fun with your drinks, your non-alcoholic drinks. Still to this day, I've never drank alcohol, which is kind of crazy. All right, thanks for watching.